Suppose we want derivative of 3 into cube root of x minus 4 by 4th root of x. So, derivative of 3 into x power 1 by 3. Cube root means 4 into x power minus 1 by 4. In the denominator 1 by 4. Take it as in numerator x power minus 1 by 4. This is in the form of x power n. N into x power n minus 1. We apply this formula in both places. Derivative of 3 into n into x power n minus 1. This 3 is this one. N into x power n minus 1 minus 4 into x power n into x power n minus 1. This 4 is this one. N x power n minus 1. 4, 4, 3, 3 cancel. So answer is x power 3 LCM 1 minus 3. 4, 4 cancel. Minus into minus plus. X power 4 LCM minus 1 plus 4. So x power minus 2 by 3. X power minus 5 by 4. X power minus 2 by 3 plus x power minus 5 by 4. Next, another problem. Y equal to 3 power log of 1 plus tan square x base 9. Then find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. First simplify the given problem. A power log x base a equal to x. This is the logarithmic formula. Both places are equal. This base, both are equal. Then answer is x. In front of log, we must have the one only. One only. Other than 1, shift this one into this place. Other than 1, shift this number up to this place. Okay, next. So, 3 power log secant square x. We know from the trigonometry, 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. 9 becomes to 3 square. Next step, 3 power 2 by 2. This 2 becomes to numerator, this becomes to denominator. 2 by 2 log secant x base 3. See, a. Both a are equal. So y equal to secant x. Y equal to secant x. This is the simplification of the given problem. So dy by dx. Secant x into tan x. Derivative of secant x. Secant x into tan x. 1 plus tan square theta. Secant square theta. 9. 3 square. We have the logarithm formula a power log x base a equal to x. So this power becomes to numerator, this becomes to denominator. 2 by 2 cancel. Base 3, both are equal. So final value is secant x. This is a simplification of the given problem. Last step. Take derivative formula. dy by dx. Secant x into tan x. Secant x into tan x. Next. d by dx of sin x plus cos x by under root 1 plus sin 2x 1 plus sin 2x. First simplify this one. d by dx sin x plus cos x by, write this one, sin square theta plus cos square theta. This is in the form of sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. d by dx of sin x plus cos x by under root a square plus b square plus 2ab a plus b whole square. Root 2 square cancel. So d by dx of sin x plus cos x by sin x plus cos x. These are the simplification of the given problem. d by dx of 1, d by dx of any constant equal to 0. d by dx of any constant equal to 0. Next, d by dx of cos x degrees. d by dx of cos x into pi by 180. Pi radians equal to 180 degrees. So 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radians. So integral derivative of cos equal to minus sign x into pi by 180 into, this is the derivative of the cos function. This is called internal function. Multiply derivative of the internal function. Derivative of x value 1 into pi by 180. So 5 ones is pi by 180 sin x degrees cos x degrees. Derivative of, first change this x degrees, x into pi by 180 radians minus sin x into derivative of the internal function, derivative of x value 1 into pi by 180, x into pi by 180 equal to x degrees. So minus sin x degrees into pi by 180